Hi, it's Dan Kelly here. I'm going to show you some lunarvim stuff that I've been playing with lately, and it's for editing Python. And I found this information at this YouTube thing here. And so the block that I wrote to my config is this block right here. And I do think you want to look at that video, which has lots of interesting information, and I think it's pretty useful. Okay, let's see. So I'm working on something which I call diary. And so this is some source code for it. You can see down here that a little red, like a stop sign has occurred. Something it doesn't like about it. I've got my thing set up that I can do space XX and it gets me into this. So it's finding a character that it doesn't like. It's interesting, I don't know what that character is. Oh, don't really know what that problem was there. It's also finding a problem with flake8 here. And to solve that one, what I'll do is that should solve that. Okay, so that's good. So that one now has no problems. Maybe we'll look at this other guy because I know there's some problems with that. So this is the sort of the main program. It has 14 things that it considers as errors, and maybe I'll do space XX, and we'll see them in the bottom. So let's see. So we'll just fix a couple of them. So what's another blank line there? So that one went away. I think you can see that at the bottom we have 13 problems now, and then we'll go to this guy. Okay, so it wants a hash, or what do I call that thing? I call that thing a hash. Put that in. And now we've got down to 11. There's a continuation line under indented. I know what that one means. Under indented. Okay, so I don't really know. Would that make it go away? Oh, that's interesting. I'm typing space equal to indent stuff. Okay, well, that's interesting. I think it might be a way of just formatting the whole file, but I'm not sure about that. I know that in some other things in R, which is what I normally use, or something like that. Let's see, so it doesn't like something about this. Basis around keyword. Does it? Not completely sure. Is that a problem? No, I guess it doesn't like that. Now we have an arithmetic operator here somewhere on this line. Oh yeah, so once I guess a space. So we fixed that one. Doesn't like the way I comment things out, apparently. Too many blank lines. We will just go there. 2 spaces before inline comments. That's great. Okay, so you can see that it's got 3 errors left. I'm not sure if I want to call them errors, but things it doesn't like anyways. Get rid of that guy, and there should be one here somewhere. That guy and this one. I don't really know, but Python apparently wants 2 blank lines between, or however you count that, 1 blank line. I don't know what it wants there. Now I guess these are suggestions. Looks like it's got 5 suggestions. These different icons here. There's no more red. Nothing it really considers bad. I didn't consider any of those bad. How about this one? It looks like I'm not using SGRP time in this, so I'll let that baby out. So now we're down to 4. Random seed. Well, I know I'm not doing random seed, so some of this code is just copied and pasted from other things. I know I should just delete those lines, but oh, subprocess. So that was good. So now we've got rid of all the things that flake8 didn't like. I want to show you one more thing though, and that is that I had to make this file setup config. It's a special name, you put it in, and then I guess Python or flake8 or the editor, I don't really know, notices that. So that's giving a directive to flake8, and it's saying, hey man, don't freak out if you see lines that are longer than, I don't know, it doesn't want them longer than 79 characters or something like that. And I have lots of longer lines, which I don't know, maybe I should change, but I don't really know if I need that. So some of these, I'm just trying to find a long, these are probably long lines here. That's probably a long line. Well, honestly, I can just do that on that guy, so that's fine. This one probably, yeah, how long is that line? It's 102 characters. I mean, it's kind of long because I have a query. There's some of these that have really long queries in them. It's SQLite's what this is. I don't know. I guess I could. I mean, should I just do that? Does that look prettier to it? Is it better for the user? Maybe.